All right. Oh, yeah. All right, so we got our nice clean timing cover. Put our new crankshaft seal in. Got our new timing cover seal here. I'm going to put that on. We're going to get our timing cover on. I'm going to go over here to the engine because I actually I wasn't liking the bolt in the end of the cam. So I pulled it out. I actually had a really nice ARP that's perfect for that. Put that in, torqued it down. Way better. So that's all set. We're going to get our timing cover on. And away we go. So timing cover on. I don't have the lower bolts in, but that's fine right now. I just have that on because I will be putting the pan on probably tomorrow once I get the oil pump, which is right there. Get the oil pump set. I have the oil pump pickup in the washer. So we'll have all of that set and ready to go. So by this time tomorrow, you're going to see the oil pump on, the oil pump drive in, and the oil pan installed.